all right. Yep, you have to go. I do, but I'm not gonna miss you. Please? I'll give you a Rolex. Is that a Rolex? No, it's definitely a Rolex. It's a Roblox, right? No, it's a Rolex. I actually don't even have gum. I was just trying to see what I get for it. Who's there? Mom. I know already. I know. Okay, knock, knock. Who's there? Orange shoe. Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana. Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange. Glad I didn't say banana. Hey, knock, knock. Who's there? Knock, knock. Who's there? Knock, knock. Who's there? Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Wait a minute. Who's there? Your mother. My mom is dead. I know. Yeah, my mom's dead. I know. Your mom. Wait, yeah, your potato. How's your potato? Yeah. Your house is now made up. Sit down. I have a house is now made up. Janelle, she's so mean. She couldn't kill a dog. Wait, I'm the person who makes them. Potatoes. I love potatoes. Oh, we gotta end this here right now. Oh God. Hey. Carter. Matthew, wanna say something else? Yeah. What? Oh yeah, I'm making a joke. Okay. No, not at all. Throw it away. No. You can't accelerate genius. Let me think. Wait, oh my God. I got my valuable my Xbox toy. Carter. Carter. Gotta end this right now. Say something. It's your mom's potato! What the f***?